Hi, Bri. Good morning.
Good morning, Sir Paul.
Hello po. Ano po yung gusto niyong makeup for today?
Fresh makeup lang, sir, para kahit mulas, okay lang.
Okay, natural look.
Thank you,
Beauty look lang na.
yes, beauty look lang.
Ayan. Okay, good luck.
Thank you.
Hi, Bri. Ayan.
Hi,
Basta naman yung
Paul.
makeup mo today.
So, maganda. Thank you so much. Totoong beauty po.
Ayan.
Thank you.
Thank you so much
Hawak
po.
na, Sir Paul.
Thank you so much po.
Thank you po.
Thank you. Ayan.